Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked SoFi as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown typical fluctuations with a gain of 0.61%. This equates to an average return of 0.15% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further growth may be on the horizon. According to the current 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential change of approximately 10.24% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 14% to positive 21.65%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our analysis for the next 12 months suggests a projected change of about 71.23%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between 39.55% and 174.27% over the coming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price range between $18.38 and $36.12. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for SoFi. The SoFi stock price fell by 1.13% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, decreasing from $13.32 to $13.17. During that day, the stock fluctuated 4.06%, reaching a low of $13.07 and a high of $13.60. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a decline of 6.13% over that period. Notably, the trading volume also fell on the last day, which is considered a positive sign since volume typically follows the stock. On that day, the trading volume diminished by 6 million shares, resulting in a total of 50 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $654,560,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 28.5%, or $5.25 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands 53.4%, or $15.09, below the all-time high reached on February 1, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies has experienced a remarkable resurgence, with its stock increasing by over 30% since early April, now valued around $13. This significant rise is primarily attributed to strong earnings in the first quarter and an upward revision of the company's annual forecast. Management's strategic shift towards a less volatile, asset-light business model is promising for risk mitigation, making the stock more appealing to investors. In an analysis released today, SoFi is positioned as a key player among fintech disruptors, especially when compared to new holdings, which underscores its competitive edge in both growth and profit potential. This ongoing momentum is likely to bolster investor confidence, positively impacting the stock price in both the short and long term. Furthermore, recent insights from the management team indicate an ambitious target of 30% growth in membership and 20% in revenue, suggesting strong operational performance ahead. Such forecasts can lead to increased investment interest, driving the stock higher. Overall, with favorable growth projections and a robust financial outlook, SoFi is poised to attract substantial attention in the fintech sector, potentially enhancing its stock value further as these developments unfold. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 19th, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight grade while also maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, December 10th, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 9th, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned SOFI stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. The SOFI stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.18. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $12.57. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 7.84%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 62 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 57 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. SOFI finds support from accumulated volume at $13.09, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with satisfactory trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 530 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 4.06%. In the last week, the stock recorded an average daily volatility of 3.37%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 6 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $13.20. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, SOFI faces its first support level at $13.09. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry opportunity, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kelly Keough conducted an insider sale of 11,520 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Eric Schopenhauer conducted an insider sale of 55,730 shares of restricted stock units. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Schopenhauer also conducted an insider purchase of 55,730 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Eric Schopenhauer conducted an insider sale of 22,989 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Arun Pinto conducted an insider sale of 45,388 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 51.336. Overall, insiders have purchased 10,521,413 shares and sold 34,564,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.45, reflecting a decrease of 5.43%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI presents several positive indicators, yet we believe these alone do not suffice to recommend it as a buy candidate. At this point, it is advisable to consider it as a hold candidate, allowing for accumulation while we await further developments. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of May, we anticipate SOFI will open higher by 11 cents, starting at a price of $13.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.